So of course, we come home from West Coast Meet.
Yeah.
And I'm shooting the video for this.
Oh, sorry.
And no. And then Steve calls me, help. And there's a lake of gas, which there was no lake when I dropped the car off this morning. There was no lake in the parking lot at the show. There basically was no lake anytime until I left. Then the car, of course, decides to misbehave. So something caught it at some point. And there's a little bitty hole right there. I'll zoom in. Son of a bitch. Easy fix. Improvise to get the car how you need it, because we can't drain fucking gas. So I'm dropping the tank right here. Sucked. But it's not leaking anymore because it's jacked up high enough. So a little hillbilly ingenuity goes a long way. OSHA who? Never heard of her. OSHA? Who's that? Alright, so back under Aquanetta, you can see right here is where our leak has been. And this is scary shit here too, but I'll put a little bit there. But that's when our leak was for sure. You can see the crack. But I'm going to fill both of these. But Steve actually took the time. Which actually saves me time, which I'm really grateful for. He went and got some gas cans and a siphon pump. So he siphoned all the gas out, almost everything out last night, which saves me a ton of time because I had a doggy emergency last night. We won't go into that. There was poop everywhere. Anyway, we're gonna fix that crack. I'm gonna put a little in here too, just a little buffer. But it's clean. It's not leaking anymore. It was dripping the last little bit of gas out when I got here, and I jacked her up just a little bit. Didn't need 49 blocks or anything crazy. So we have the gas cap off now too, so it's venting. So there's no pressure down here. But we're gonna hit this with some brake clean. Get it nice and cleaned up. Mix up our epoxy. And patch her up. I do the little bit of fiberglass mat too. But we want to do it nice. So, alright, it's not the prettiest thing, but it's epoxied, it's fiberglass reinforced. It's already setting up. So, gonna leave this alone. It's like 10-ish now. It takes 4 hours for this to set up, so I'm going to come back over here about 6:30 on my way home. Steve and I will set her down, see what it does with a little bit of gas that's in it, and then maybe throw some more gas in it, and then throw a little more gas in it, and see what she does. This side over here didn't really need anything, but playing it safe. And this side's packed good and fiberglass. Like I said, not pretty, but functional. Alright, so everything's set up. We've filled it back up with fuel. We put about 15 gallons in it, plus whatever was already in it. We are good. We are dry. All fixed up.